This year's release of the Tecno Camon 16 Premier has me really excited, and I think Tecno is rapidly moving its budget devices to the upper spectrum of the mid-range market. The Tecno Camon 16 Premier, in my opinion, is one of the best devices you can get for under 2,000 Ghana cedis, and I'll explain why in a bit. Before that, let's have a feel of the unboxing experience. Tecno paid attention to the little details here. The box feels quite premium, something I've gotten pretty used to with devices from the brand. Once we get inside, we are greeted with a smaller card box, which we'll get to later. And then we have the Tecno Camon 16 Premier, which I'll just set aside for now. Next in the box, we have a 33-watt fast charging power adapter with an orange painting on the inside, which will charge the Tecno Camon 16 Premier amazingly fast. Right after the power brick, we have a Type-C cable with orange accents as well. I'm a big fan of Type-C, and I'm glad we have it here on this device. Type-C is just convenient and can help facilitate fast charge speeds. Also, you have an earphone with a 3.5mm jack in the box. In the smaller card box, would find Tecno's iconic 12+1 month warranty card and a transparent silicone case with seal plugs for both the charging and 3.5mm audio ports. Now let's talk about the device itself. I must say I love the design of the Tecno Camon 16 Premier. It comes in a shimmery color Tecno calls Glacier Silver, and the way it refracts light is very nice. The device has a huge cutout at the back to house its quad camera setup, which we'll touch on later. On the right side of the device, you'll find the volume rocker buttons and a power button that doubles as the fingerprint sensor. The left side of the device houses the dual SIM slot we've come to love and an SD card slot, supposing the phone's inbuilt 128 gigs of storage isn't enough. At the bottom, we have a mono speaker, a Type-C port, a microphone, and a 3.5mm port. I wish we had maybe an IR blaster at the top, but unfortunately we have nothing there. The front of the device is quite exciting. We have a crisp, bright, and vibrant Full HD Plus IPS LCD display that runs at 90Hz. This ensures a way smoother experience when swiping through the interface of the device or when running mobile games. Also, we have a dual camera setup here, an almost invisible speaker, and a front-facing flash that hides in plain sight. The camera upgrades on the Tecno Camon 16 Premier is impressive. The front houses a 48MP wide lens and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. The wide lens is capable of shooting 4K in 30 frames per second or 1080p in 60 frames per second, which is amazing. At the back, we have a pretty versatile system as well. There's an 8MP wide-angle lens, a 2MP depth control lens, a 64MP main lens, and a 2MP lens Tecno calls the 1080p Ultra Night Video Shoot lens. The back camera system is also capable of shooting 4K in 30 frames per second and 1080p in 60 frames per second. So how do these cameras perform? I must say, they are great. The images I took with the cameras were sharp and the bokeh mode was accurate. If I'm to nitpick and point out something I don't like about the camera, it would have to be the wide-angle selfie shooter. The shots were mostly soft for my liking, and I wish they were a tad sharper like the main selfie shooter. The Tecno Camon 16 Premier is powered by a MediaTek Helio G90T coupled with a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. The Helio G90T is a powerful chipset that enables impressive gameplay and 4K camera recording on the Camon 16 Premier. Gameplay was very smooth thanks to the awesome work of the processor and the 90Hz display. I like the fact that the Tecno Camon 16 Premier comes with a 4500 mAh battery. The battery is massive and could easily cushion your 90Hz gaming lifestyle. Also, knowing that you have a 33-watt fast charger to help power your device from 0 to 70% in 30 minutes gives you the confidence to do more on your device. The Tecno Camon 16 Premier runs on Android 10 on top of iOS 6.0. I've always publicly expressed my disdain for iOS due to how ad-heavy it is. I feel this launcher cripples the potential of Tecno devices, but let's see if it gets better with time. To conclude, the Tecno Camon 16 Premier has a lot of good going for it. It is stylish, powerful, and considerably affordable. If you're in the market looking for a reliable and good-looking smartphone, I think you should definitely consider the Tecno Camon 16 Premier. It might be the right phone for you. Thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing to the Device Hub on YouTube for more tech content.